a good thing we didn't put up the tempo this year. I think the tempo might get blown over very quickly. And if we're gone at all,
yeah,
probably get ruined. I'm certainly glad our house is still there. That we wake up this morning and we have a house. Poor people that haven't got one today. The top did come off of the teepee. It blew around it. Ah, and there's a break in the weather, in the wind. Hey look, the pond is not frozen. Perhaps we can get that piece of tarp that fell on it, which is no longer frozen in. Oh, you could go swimming.
well, there you have it.
I didn't even think of that. Were you thinking of it already?
It crossed my mind.
Really? Yes. Well, it is above freezing. It is November the what? 18th.
or 19th?
How did it get to be so late? Just got
19th, I
here.
think. A little muddy here.
It does look wet, doesn't it?
Yeah, muddy and muddy.
Gee, the side of my toe just got wet. I haven't even gotten into anything wet. I must have a crack in the side of my shoe. Oh look, it blew over our swing. Let's go this way and have a good look at everything here. I moved the cushions, you see, from that chair bench.
Oh, okay.
Put on my willow
Well,
spikes.
looks like our two teepees are this time still both standing.
They do look like they're standing. And look, the pond is wiggling. The water is not solid anymore. Look, everything is the same in here. Doesn't seem to be getting in bad shape. This was for catching those giant water beetles.
I see.
Dumping them out and stepping on them.
Before you move, they keep all the turtles and leeches, right?
That's right. We don't want the turtles. Oh look, it's raining on the pond. Pitter patter, pitter patter. But it's not raining on me. Now it's winding. Hey, look, and it's up to here. It's up to the edge again. It's deeper. It's kind of soggy right here, Willem. And there's a deer print. We didn't move this stick. We should bring that down there. We being the operative word. We should bring these sticks back so they don't get frozen into the water with them. I'm bringing this stick, this branch, so it does not get in the water for the winter. just in case we choose to do something very unusual, like water ice skating. Wow, it's very wet here. Can you lift that up for me, please?
Yeah.
Maybe we should put it over there. Will you put it over there a little bit? So if it falls down, we won't trip on it if we happen to go for a walk over here?
In nighttime?
What?
At nighttime?
At night, yes. I guess our basket should...
This thing here.
Hey, the teepee is up off its feet. What's happened? It might go over again. It might billow up like a sail.